Today I gave a 4-hour classroom management workshop to a few teachers in my district, and I had 96 slides prepared to guide them through the whole process of classroom management. At the end of about 3 hours, where we started sort of winding down and getting into other discussions, we were only on slide number 16. Now, for many of us, if we only got through slide 16 of 96 slides, we would feel like a failure. We would feel like, wow, this really didn't work. But I felt the sense in the room that something was accomplished. There were some sparks that were lit and great conversation that we had. So the question here is it more important for me to cover the material or to engage the teachers in thought and provide a new mindset? The old me, 10 years ago, 15 years ago, would have rushed through 96 slides, whereas the teacher I am today is proud that in those 16 slides that I showed, the teachers were engaged in a positive mindset and thinking differently. Think about how that relates to our teaching. What's the most important thing? That we get through the material or that we make a difference in the lives of our students?